What are index funds and how to pick a good one? Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about index funds and how to pick a good one. Firstly, what is an index fund? An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange traded fund (ETF) that tracks a particular stock market index. For example, the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The fund holds a diversified portfolio of the same stocks that make up the index it tracks, and the goal is to replicate the performance of that index. The benefits of investing in index funds are many. They are low cost compared to actively managed funds, and they require less management and research. They are also more tax efficient as they have lower turnover rates than actively managed funds, meaning fewer taxable events. Now that we have talked about what index funds are and their benefits, let's discuss how to pick a good one. The first thing you want to do is look for low fees. Yes, as we mentioned earlier, index funds are known for their low cost compared to actively managed funds, so you want to make sure you're not paying too much in fees. Look for funds with the expense ratios of less than 0, 20% of low or lower if possible. Secondly, you want to look for a fund that tracks a broad index. The broader the index, the more diversified the fund will be. For example, the S&P 500 index covers the largest 500 companies in the US, making it a great choice for broad exposure to the US stock market. Thirdly, you want to look for a fund with a good track record. While past performance is not a guarantee of future performance, it can be a good indication of the fund's ability to track the index it is following. Fourthly, you want to look for a fund with a low tracking error. Tracking error is the difference between the returns of the index fund and the returns of the index it is tracking. A low tracking error indicates that the fund is doing a good job of replicating the index it is following. Finally, you want to look for a fund with a good reputation. Look for funds managed by reputable companies with a long history of managing index funds. You can also check online reviews and ratings to see what other investors are saying about the fund. To summarize, when looking for a good index fund, look for low fees, broad index coverage, good track record, low tracking error, and a good reputation. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you.